Good morning, my dear friends. It's too hot today. The sun is very hot. The weather is very bright. Bright sunshine all around. The rays of the sun are piercing my skin, but I am landing on Mars because I am very happy to be here on this bridge connecting the island to the garden. You see, this is the artificial island in the heart of the artificial lake. You see the lake, beautiful lake. Um, Let me sweep the camera across the lake and the garden, jarul trees, and of course the heart of the lake, the island in the midst of the lake. তো যাওয়ার আগে let us recite a poem, love poem. I'm in the right frame of mind to recite a poem. একটা কবিতা পড়ে শোনাই। একটু আগে একটা বাংলা কবিতা পড়েছি, ওটার ইংরেজি অনুবাদ শোনাবো। Where will you keep all your love? তোমার প্রেম, এত প্রেম কোথায় রাখবে? Keep some love in your mind, keep some in your chest, keep some love in your heart, keep some in your eyes, keep the rest. Put some love carefully in his hands, fill his makers lovingly with some love. Thank you guys, ভালো থেকো, have a nice day. We are having fun to be near the island in the heart of the artificial lake. Have a quick sweep of the camera around the lake. People have come here to enjoy and take photos. Everything is okay, but the heat is heat is extreme. I am perspiring. This is the gate you see. A couple has come here to take photographs. Thank you, uncle. ভালো আছো তোমরা? আচ্ছা, আমি একটু গেটে ছবি তুলে এক্সিট করি। বের হয়ে যাচ্ছি। My dear friends, let us go out. Thank you. Have a nice day.